We'll guide you through how to set up the ticket toolbot in Discord. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, you can go to tickettool.xyz and click on the invite ticket tool button. Log in if needed, then choose your server and click continue and authorize. Once the bot is added, we're ready to set it up. Now we're going to create a role for the people who will handle the tickets. Go to your server settings, roles, and then click create role. Name it something like support or staff and go to permission and set the permission your support team needs. After you're done, click save changes and then go to manage members and click add members and assign this role to your support members. Now we'll create the place where users can open the tickets. First, click on your server's name and select create category. Name it something like tickets and then click create. Now click the plus icon on the new category and select create channel. Make sure it's a text channel and you can name it whatever. I'll just put create ticket and this will be the channel where the ticket panel is posted. Now we're going to set up the ticket system using a command. You can type /setup and a form will pop up. Click create panel and first for the panel's name, click set name and name your panel something like support tickets. Click submit and hit save and continue. And then select the support team role. Just select the one that we created earlier. For ticket category, as before, select the one we just created. And then for transcript, you can select the create ticket channel. And the last tab, you can select also the create ticket channel and click finish. Now everything is done. Let's make sure it works. You can click the ticket button inside the channel. It should create a private channel under the tickets category and only the person who opened it and the support team will see it. To close the ticket, you can click the close button inside the ticket channel and you're done.